Hey you guys, it's going to be a tutorial on how I made some Jell-o shots for my birthday party. I have two different flavors, berry blue and strawberry. We'll be doing the strawberry one first. The first step is to pick whatever jelly you want to do first, open it and put it into your bowl. Once you do that, you're going to want to take some hot water and add it to the Jell-o mix and let it dissolve while stirring. Okay, once it has dissolved enough, you will add cold water, like half a cup, and then half a cup of whatever vodka you want to use. But I ended up using more alcohol to make it a little stronger for the party. I recommend tasting it while you go, but make sure you use a different fork or a spoon or whatever you use to taste it so you don't contaminate the mix. And here I get my Jell-o cups ready, and then I just fill them up and then put it to the side for the next batch. I ended up making more because I felt what I had now was not enough. But I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.